Okay, we're going to do the check and understand on page 321. Okay, students at the University of New Harmony received 10,000 course grades last semester. The two-way table below breaks down these grades by which school the university taught the course, and of course their grades, A, B, and below a B. Okay, first thing I did was copy the table because I need my totals. Come down here. Okay, I was told there was 10,000 grades, so I have that as a point of reference. Add those across, and what did I get? 6,300. Oops. Add those across, I get 1,600, and those across, I get 2,100, which adds up to be 10,000. Put a little line here. Do my columns. So 3, 3, 9, 2, and you can always check my work, make sure I'm right. Okay, so that's the first thing I want to do. So I know there was over 6,000 liberal arts grades. There was 1,600 engineering grades and 2,100 health and human sciences grade. 3,392 kids got A's. All right, so it's good to have totals. All right, college grades tend to be lower in engineering and physical science, the EPS. So choose the University of New Harmony course grade at random. Consider these two events. Event E is that the grade is from an engineering or physical science course, and L, that the grade is lower than a B. So first, let's find the probability of L. What's the probability the grade is lower than a B? So I'm just going to come here and find my total grades below B and put them over the total. So, okay, kitty. Which of course equals 0.3656, okay? Then we're going to find some conditionals. Okay, we're going to find the conditional probability. What's the probability that the grade is from, come up here, honey. The grade is from an engineering course given that it's below B, and what's the probability that a grade is below B given that it's from an engineering course? So we're going to do both of these. I've already written some of that. Okay, so let's remember to do our conditionals. We have to do the probability of the and over the probability of the condition. Okay, I'll do one at a time. So what's the probability that a grade is from the engineering class and below a B? So we go up to engineering, come up here, engineering and below a B, so that would be 800, okay? Basically 800 over 10,000, okay? So I'm going to put 800 over 10,000. And then the probability that the grade is below a B. Well, we had that already. So 3656 over 10,000, which of course ends up being 800 over 3656, which is 0.2188, okay? And if you think about it like this, looking at your table, zoom out so you can see the table too. If you think about this, can you see, are you too far away?
No.
Of all the low grades, what proportion are from the engineering school? You can get your 800 over 3656 a little faster, okay? I don't care how you get there, just get there. Okay, let's compare that to the probability that you have a low grade given that you're in the engineering school. So we're still going to do the and, but this time we're going to put it over the condition that it's a probability, the condition that you're in engineering. So again, the and is the same thing. So 800 over 10,000. And then what's the probability that you're in the engineering school? So that's going to be, can you see the table? That's going to be the 1,600 over 10,000. So it ends up being 800 over 1,600, which we know that is a half, okay? And let's think about it in terms of our conditional distributions like from the beginning of the year. Of the engineering students, of the engineering grades, 1,600, what proportion are lower than a B? So 800 over 1,600. Again, doesn't matter how you get there, get there. Okay, come down here and zoom in. Okay, the next question in the book says, or part of this question says, which of these conditional probabilities tells you whether the college's engineering students tend to earn lower grades than students in liberal arts? Okay, we want lower grades. So if we compare these two probabilities with just the plain probability of getting a lower grade, this probability tells me there's a 50% chance you're going to get a lower grade given that you're in engineering. And that's a greater chance than that, okay, than just getting a lower grade. So this is the probability that tells us that engineering students tend to get lower grades than students in liberal arts and the social services. Okay, great. Thank you very much. See you later.